Yo, yo, yo! What is up, guys? This is your boy, Bad Boy ng Dagat, and we are going to do something for tonight. Guys, as we all know, Christmas is getting nearer and nearer by the day. So, I've got myself an early Christmas gift and we are going to unbox it. Like, not literally an unboxing, but we are going... So guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Well then, start the intro! Guys, before we start the unboxing video, I'm gonna do some shoutouts. First, shoutouts to our new subscribers. I haven't got that many subscribers, but thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And I'm going to mention your names. So, once again, thank you guys. Thank you and keep supporting my channel. So, shoutouts to Shimer Abad, Rose Ann Fernandez, she was my head nurse back in Sacred Heart. Chedan Seriaco, my schoolmate from high school. Joanne Crisel Barrios, I've met her through free diving. Delin Bettina Benyasan Lawa, Mr. Rob Babadilla, Rodel Richa Tapales, and Cindy May. There we go. So that is our new subscribers, guys. So if you want to... If you want to be mentioned, please subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please. I need the money. Yeah, I need the money. There we go, guys. I don't know them all personally. But yeah, thank you for subscribing. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Let's get to the unboxing. But first and foremost, I just want you to know what I've got myself for Christmas. So, I've got myself a Huawei Mate 20 Pro. I'm sorry, I forgot the name. It's a very long name. So this is the latest flagship phone of Huawei. I don't know the specs. Well, I do know the specs. I just didn't memorize them. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing, guys. Let's get to the unboxing part. Here we go. Let's open the Huawei. It's so long I can't say it. Here we go. Oh, that's the phone. It looks very, very slick. Let's get it off. Yeah, so if you can see, I've got the Twilight version, the Twilight colors. There we go. And it has a curved edge similar to the Samsung curved versions. Samsung Edge versions. There we go. Yeah, nice one. Let's see what's in here. So we've got just the papers. Yeah, we don't need that. And inside the box we've got a lightning charger, and we've got the USB-C cables. It's so hard to get this off. There we go. Yeah. And we've got earphones. So if you can see, guys, the phone has no headphone jack, so the earphones should be, oh, there we go, a USB-C cable which fits perfectly in the phone. There we go. Nicely done. And it's nice of Huawei to give us an adapter for your old headphones if you don't want to use the stock headphones. There we go. Yeah, shall we open this one or not? No, I'm just gonna save it. So yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna turn on the phone now. I'm gonna set it up and let's see. So here we go, guys. The phone's already set up. Fingerprints already registered. So we are gonna test out the fingerprint sensor, the in-display fingerprint sensor. There we go. Of course, it's not as fast as the physical fingerprint sensors, but it's okay for me. So I've installed all my previous apps here, and let's try out the camera. There we go. So we've got a lot of modes here. Go to the aperture if you want to adjust the blur in your background, the night mode, the portrait mode, the default photo mode, the video, the pro, and a lot more settings in here. And let's try to open an app, see how fast it is. There we go. Yeah, it's pretty fast. There we go. And for the touch, it's very reactive. It's very smooth. There we go. So I'm gonna use this phone for a week and get back to you with my feedbacks, guys. There we go, guys. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. And again, I'm really sorry for the video quality. GoPro, please improve your sensors. It really sucks during the night time. So yeah, here we go. The Huawei Mate is too long, I can't really say it. So there we go, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll see you again next time. AvenueBoy is out.